Hello everyone, this is Narendra Kumar, a ServiceNow developer at Palni. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create parent and child test suites using ServiceNow ATF with a simple real-time business scenario. Now we will discuss a simple scenario. Let's imagine a real-time situation in an IT company. Whenever a new release or patch is deployed, the QA team needs to validate multiple functionalities like opening records, UI validations, existing workflows. Now, instead of executing each test individually, we can group and organize them using parent and child test suites. This helps in reducing manual effort, organizing test cases, controlling execution flow. Now, let me explain what is parent test suite and child test suite. Parent test suite. A parent test suite is used to group multiple tests dynamically using filters, which helps in automatically picking relevant tests. It can also include child test suites, allowing us to organize and execute large test scenarios efficiently. A child test suite requires manual selection of tests and runs as part of the parent suite. It helps in handling specific test scenarios and gives better control over execution order and behavior. First, let's create parent test suite. First, navigate to Automated Test Framework. Under click on Suites, click on New. Now provide the details. Name as Release Validation Suite. Make sure it is active. After that, add filter condition as name starts with open. Click on Update Count. This means it will automatically pick all the tests related to opening records. And give description as parent suite to validate core functionalities during release. Click on Save. After saving the parent test suite, when we scroll down to related list, under test suite test is automatically created the two test suites test. One is open an existing record and second one is open a form to a specific view. Now let's create child test suite. Scroll down to related list and click on child test suite section. Now click on new. Provide name as UI and functional validation suite. And give description as child suite for UI and workflow validations. Then click Save. Now scroll down to related list and click on test suite test. Under that section, click on new button and add the following test manually. Search for failing Jasmine test. Give the execution order as 1. Set abort on failure true. Click on submit. Again, scroll down to related list and click on new and search for the simple UI test. Give execution order as 2 and click on submit. Again, scroll down to related list and click on new button. Search for open existing record test. Give order as 3. Click on submit. Make sure that link to set parent suite as release validation suite. Click update. Now open the parent suite. Click on run test suite. ATF will automatically execute parent level test using filter and trigger child suite execution and follow execution order. Stop execution if failure occurs based on abort settings. Here is the expected output. In parent suit, all tests are passed. In child suit, failing Jasmine test was failed, and simple UA test is skipped because abort on failure is enabled, and open existing record is not executed. Now in real-time projects, we may not want execution to stop. So let's update set abort on failure is equal to false. Now rerun fail test. Instead of running everything again, go to suit results and scroll down to related list. Click on UA and functional validation suite and scroll down to related list. Make sure that abort on failure is false. Click update. Now rerun the fail test. Instead of running everything again, go to suit results. Click on rerun fail test. Now the expected outcome is failed test remains failed. Remaining text executed successfully. Finally, the conclusion is how we use parent and child test suites in real-time projects to organize the test execution, control failure behavior, improve testing efficiency during releases. This approach is very useful for QA teams handling large-scale testings in ServiceNow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.